Hello everyone, I'm talking to you on the special day that's Teachers' Day. I think Teachers' Day is very important for all our people, for our students, and even for all the parents. As the teachers lay foundation for creating enlightened citizens for the nation. And on this day, I would like to thank all the teachers who help the people to shape their life, because I think teachers have an influencing role in the life of every student. And actually, what we learn from the teachers, it remains with us throughout our life. So I think teachers do need encouragement and support from our community, just to make them feel because that their efforts are being recognized. So again, thanks to all the teachers, and special thanks to DPS teachers for grooming our children. So thank you so much and happy Teachers Day.
Hello everyone, I am the mother of Arush, grade 5. I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Actually, teachers shape the mind of our children. There really are no words to express gratitude for all you did for my child. Thank you for giving him courage. You made him a better person. Thank you.
I'm sent to DPS teacher award. They are paying they're paying attention for my child and she is doing very well. Thanks for the DPS award.
I am saying to DPS award teachers, they are paying attention for my child, so my child doing well. So I thanks to all the DPS award teachers.
मैं DPS के टीचर से बहुत खुश हूँ। अध्यापकों को देश का निर्माता कहा गया है। विद्यार्थी वही कुछ बनते हैं जो कुछ अध्यापक उन्हें बनाना चाहते हैं। अच्छे अध्यापक विद्यार्थियों के मन में उच्च मूल्यों की रचना कर सकते हैं। मनोरंजन गतिविधियां शिक्षा का अनिवार्य अंग होना चाहिए, जो कि DPS के टीचर्स करवा रहे हैं।
Myself, Rajinder Khana, I feel proud to say that my daughter Guntas is a student of DPS Abhor. How fortunate I have been, how lucky I am that I have teachers of DPS Abhor for my child to make her life meaningful. Thanks to the teachers of DPS.
Hello, all the staff members of DPS. I want to say कि all the staff members of DPS working very hard. They are doing their work very well. All are very cooperative and solve the problem of students. They are helping to students to solve their problem.
Dear teachers, congratulations to all of you on Teachers' Day. This day is very important for the parents also, because you lay the foundation for creating citizens for the nation. So I would like to say thanks to all the teachers who helped us in shaping of our children's life, because what they learn from you remains with them throughout of their life. Being a father, I want to say that the teachers are the real father of the students. The importance of teachers in life cannot be overstated. The primacy of the teacher in our lives cannot be told more effectively than this. So we should always respect our teachers. So finally, thank you again, all of DPS teachers. I may not say it always, but I mean it whenever I say it. Thank you, teacher, for all the things you have done for my child. Happy Teachers' Day. Always in great regard. Thank you.
Hello, myself Pooja Dhumra, mother of Naman Dhumra. I would like to thank the school management, the teachers and caretakers of the school. As my child, she is getting a very nice environment in the DPS school, and she is becoming the full explorer, and she is becoming the self-explorer. In fact, I wanted my child should get the all-round development and the same environment she is getting there. We are heartily thankful to the teachers. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day.
I'm very thankful of teachers of DPS because they are very careful about my child.
School in Abohar, in this school, teachers are very cooperative. They are well educated. They are friendly with the students. Our children are lucky because the part of DPS.
Hi, myself Rajinder Khana. I proudly say that my son Shivansh Khana is a student of DPS Abohar. The world is full of people. Some are big, some are small, but when they come to the teachers of DPS Abohar, they are best of all. Thank you.
Respected teachers and dear students, happy Teachers' Day. Celebrating Teachers' Day is a wonderful opportunity, especially for all of us to show our gratitude and appreciation to our teachers. It is a great day for reminding the importance of teachers in our as well as in our children's life. The day I admitted my ward in DPS, I was very afraid of thinking again and again whether it was the right decision or not, because it was totally a new mode of teaching and learning. But now I am happy to say it is really a fruitful beginning. The cooperation of all the teachers and staff is really appreciated. I congratulate all of you. You are the architect of our future generation. You are improving their potentials, their skills, and developing and shaping their personalities. I thanks a lot once again. Okay.
DPS school is a new path of education in this small city Abohar. It is a very good institution where students can learn much, and the way the teachers are studying is a very effective way, that is by through internet. Moreover, the students which are given facilities are also at the top. The best thing which I like is the cafeteria, in which the students are made to sit to eat their lunch or in their or to take some refreshment in the care of the teachers. The school campus is very good, the infrastructure is very good.
I would like to thank DPS Abohar teachers for giving full cooperation and guidance to my ward. I am very proud to all the teachers like them to shaping and futures to my child. They are giving parental feeling to my child.